How's it going? This is Chris again from Young's, and we got a 2011 Victory Crossroads Black. Now I know you're asking yourself why it's called the Black. That's because this one's all got custom paint, giving it this nice brandywine color. Up front here, you've got your passing lamps, giving you that extra bit of light when you're going down the road at night. This one comes equipped with aftermarket H-bars that have been powder coated to not only match the paint, but as well as the triple trees that have also been powder coated. The bike's been equipped with a set of Freedom True Dual exhaust pipes, because nothing beats True Duals. The nice red color just gives it that mean look going down the road. You got your nice gold stripes for any of your Marine Corps guys out there. And then that whole back end ties together beautifully. Now this bike's loud, so I won't even try and tell you after starting it. But this could be yours down here at Young's.